Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Bytecraft. I am Hamza. So this is our episode 3 of our course, how to become an account manager. This is a free course. In this video we are going to cover how we can list our product on Amazon Seller Central. Previously we have covered how you can navigate throughout the Seller Central. Now I'm just going to show you how you can list a product. Now in order to list a product, you would come here in this tab, like I have already showed you from the products, to add a product. Once you click the add a product, you would be showing this page. Now there, like in the first way, if you are listing an existing product, like a product that is already selling on Amazon, for example, I would show you, then the process is like this. You would write the item name here. For example, it is like Pepsi, so let's select this item, Pepsi Zero, and its listing would come up eventually. All you have to do is click here and copy listing. But in order to do that, you need approval. So once the listing is open, you just have to click here, copy listing, and everything of that listing would come up. All you have to do is just fill in a few required segments. For example, this product has variation. If you are selling a variant of it, then you would click it. If no, then you will uncheck it. Now if you want to add a brand name here, then you can do that. If you don't have, then just leave it. Now external product ID, that is the universal product code. So what is that? UPC. So you would add your UPC here, but if you don't have the UPC, you would go by the generic. So now moving over to the description. So here in description, you would add your description about the product, like what you want to say about it. So this is the segment where you can really define your product, and this is basically to drive SEO and to get the traffic out of the users. So in order to get traffic, we have to write our description very in a very professional manner. You can always use different tools that are available to get the keywords. In order to write a product description, you have to make sure that your description does not include any prohibited words. So there are certain prohibited words which I would cover later on in the video. Your description should not be more than 1000 characters. So 1000 bytes they say. Similarly, I've just wanted to mention that your product title cannot be more than 250 characters. So once you would add that, you would have to add 5 or 6 bullet points, but 5 is like a necessary thing. Now you have to upload the image of your product. So you would have to select here, is it customizable or not, who is the manufacturer, what is the range, age range, description, is it for kids or not, number of items in a pack, then what's the color, what's the size, then the part number, then we have special ingredient, you have to mention that, is it heat sensitive, yes or no, temperature. So these sort of things are everything is already written. You just have to, like, it is a product that is already selling on the Amazon, and we are just copying the listing. So in this scenario, you don't have to add all the information is already there. All you have to do is just copy this listing and only add the offer part, where you have to decide your own price and your packaging and your shipment details, that how you are going to ship it. Now moving over to how to list a product that is not there on Amazon, that is mostly a private label. So if you have your own brand and you are trying to sell your product on Amazon, how you are going to list it, or you are going to start your FBA business, let's see how you would be able to list your first product. So we would go here on the blank form. Here the first step is to add an item name. As I have already mentioned, the item name should not be more than 250 characters. So I'm going to give you an example of one of our product that we sell. It is a stainless steel 24-piece cutlery set with a gift box, includes knife, fork and spoon, tableware, easy clean and dishwasher safe. So it is showing that it is 143 characters, that is under the limit. Plus it does not contain any prohibited words, like 100% best quality. Like you don't want to be making any claims using any prohibited words, so that your listings can be suppressed because of that. After adding the item name, that is the product title, the next step is to select the product type. On the basis of your title, this is like auto suggested by Amazon. So you will select flatware set. Now item type keywords. In item type keywords, you would see here different options that are related to your items. You would select the one that suits your item the best. Now, does this product have variations? Yes or no? For ease of understanding, I would select no right now, but later on I would show you if it has variations, then what you have to do. Now brand name. Now if you have a registered brand, then you will put your brand name here. If you don't have it, then this product does not have a brand name. External product ID. So an external product ID can be basically UPC, GTIN, EN. Now a UPC is a universal product code. Now in order to get a universal product code, there are different websites that sell them, but if you don't have a UPC and you are listing under a generic brand, then you would only click this product does not have a product ID. Now continue to description. After this, you would add your product description here, which should be well written, and all the SEO should be here. All the keywords, important keywords should be here, because the traffic would eventually come on to your listing on the basis of that, on those keywords. So I have pasted here the description of my product. As you can see, the description does not contain any prohibited words, any claim, or any guarantee. Now you have to add 5 bullet points to your listings. You will click here on add more, and you will fill in all these boxes with the bullet points. The bullet points should reflect the key features of your product, and it should not use like it is written here, do not use all caps or abbreviations. Please do not use fabric content, care instructions, or country, as these are populated in different fields. Now you can see I have written all the bullet points. Bullet points are also the key features of your product, on the basis of which customer decides whether he is going to buy these or not. Now moving over to the next part, which is the uploading images. Now this is the most important part in a listing. These days customer don't have that much time to read all the description, all the bullet points, all the titles. All they do first as a customer, that they would look at a product and decide whether they are going to buy it or not. The description, bullet points are used to drive the customer to a listing that can show a customer whether he wants it or not. But the images are the ones that are going to make him decide actually he is going to buy it or not. So your images should follow these product image guidelines. Real photograph, no illustration. White background. Product fills 85% of the frame. Mainly for the first image, that is the main image, should follow exactly like this. It should have a white background. It should fill like 85% of the frame. No props, logos, watermarks, or edit text. Only show the product being sold. Don't include any accessories of the product or sales. Now the maximum size, you can see it is given, the minimum size given, and the best format also given. So please do follow these instructions. Now I will upload the images one by one. Right now I have uploaded like 4 images. One is the main image that should be like only with the white background. But in other images you can show the infographics, you can show product details. I have uploaded only 4 images, but you can upload up to 9 images. You should at least upload up to 5 images rather, to show the complete product to the customers. Along with the images, you can also add videos, which are going to improve your product listing page, would create a very good impact on the customer buying decision. Now moving over to the product detailed page. So add product information. We will select whether the product is customizable or not. No. Model number, we'll write here the SKU, and in model name also we'll write the same SKU. Now manufacturer, you can add any manufacturer that has made it. Right now I'm adding generic. Is it dishwasher safe? Special features, like yes it is. Like in special features, you would mention here any feature of your product, like is it stain resistant. For example, it's a cutlery set, so I can write dishwasher safe, stain resistant. Now style, what is the style of the product? Casual, formal, modern. Material, so material would be, for in this case, stainless steel. Number of items, so it's a 24 piece. Color, for example, it is silver. Size, like pack of 24. Number of pieces, that would be 24. Care instructions, hand wash only, dishwasher safe. Is the item dishwasher safe? Yes. Finish type, polished. Unit count, so in unit count you would not add 24, rather you would add 1. So one unit has 24 pieces. Included components, we can write fork, spoon, or the list can go on. Recommended usage, dinner party. Stain resistant, yes. Year of manufacturing, you can always add that. Number of packs. Set name, so set name is basically the manufacturer's official name. If not available, then don't write it. Then you will write the item weight and continue to offer. Here on offer, you would select sell on Amazon if you are selling to the general public. If you are going to go with the B2B, then select this option. Then again write your SKU. Then again the decision would be whether to sell on FBA or to FBM. So as I mentioned, if you are a new seller, then FBA would be a safer option for you. But if you are an existing established business, then FBM would be a better choice for you. But it is up to you. You have to decide that. Now you will enter the price. If you want to apply any pricing rule, you can do that. Item condition, new. List price should be equal to your price. Then we have the dimensions here. Item package length, width, item height. So I'm just putting random numbers just to give you an idea. Weight, so as you can see, I missed out this option selecting that, so I would select it now. It gave me an error. Once I clicked it, the error is gone. Moving over to safety and compliance side. Country of origin, I would select China here, or whichever country it is from. Are batteries required? No. Is it dangerous good? Not applicable. So once you have filled all the information, you would click on ready to submit. So once you will click that, your listing will appear on manage all inventory within 15 minutes. All you have to do now is add inventory. If you have selected FBA, then you will not add inventory. If you have selected FBM, then you will add inventory and your item would be live and ready to sell. Hope you like today's video and you would follow us for more upcoming videos. But don't you think that this whole process was a bit tedious? So in the next video, I will show you how to upload listings in bulk, or rather how to list products in bulk. That will make your life more easier, and definitely in a quicker way you would be able to list a lot of products, rather hundreds of products. Thank you so much for watching our video. For more such videos, please follow our channel and please also subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Videos on Digital Byte Craft. Thank you. I'll see you in the next episode.